In this video, you will see a Turning Point lesson as it is being presented to a class. To begin, you would need to open your presentation using Turning Point, and if you are using a participant list, you would select it at this time. To begin the slideshow, go up to the Slideshow tab and select from the beginning. Our presentation is now ready to begin. This particular presentation was created to help fourth graders practice their basic multiplication facts. As this was the first time that the fourth graders were using the clickers, there are several beginner questions to help get them familiar with using the clickers to answer questions. Our first question says, "What is your favorite season?" And notice as the responses start coming in that you can see that in the responses box at the top of the page. Once all responses are in, we are ready to advance and close the polling. And we can see from our graph that 60% of our participants chose summer as their favorite season, whereas no one chose fall. Let's continue with our next slide. This slide has a countdown in it to get the students used to answering questions when on a timer. And as you will see, once the timer reaches 0, the polling will automatically close. Let's click to see our graph, and we will see that 60% of our students chose Christmas as their favorite holiday. Our next question asks, "What is your favorite color?" And we can see the favorite color of our class is purple with 40%. All other colors were tied for second place. All right, now asking your favorite class in school. As a math and science teacher, you can see that I'm a little bit biased here, but feel free to choose your favorite class. And from our graph, we can see that the favorite class is math. Very exciting for me, with several other classes getting some votes as well. All right, now we're starting to get into some correct and incorrect questions. We'll see how well you know what is going on. First of all, what are we learning about in math this week? Hopefully you all get this question correct. And 100% of you chose option 3, which was the correct answer. Now another question that I hope to see everybody answering the same way. Have you been practicing your basic multiplication facts on your own? Okay, I can see that most of you have been practicing on your own, but some of you have not. Hopefully after today that changes and everybody will be practicing their multiplication facts. All right, let's get started. All of these questions from this point on will be timed. You will have 10 seconds to put in the correct answer, starting when the countdown begins. And begin. All right, let's see how everybody did. 80% of you chose option 2, which is the correct answer. 2 times 6 is 12. Let's get ready for the next question. What is 3 times 7? The timer is on. right, hopefully everybody got their answers in. Most of you chose option 1, 3 times 7 is 21. Let's see if that is correct. It is the correct answer. All right, our next problem is 4 times 9. The timer has started. All right, everybody got their answers in. Let's see our graph. Ooh, this one we had 60%, the majority of you saying the answer was 36. But we did trip a few of you up with 32. Remember that 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. All right, our next question, 5 times 5. Let's take a look, see how we did. 100% of you chose option 2, which was 25, and you were correct. 5 times 5 is 25. Good job. All right, our next problem, 6 times 7. Uh-oh, our polling closed before somebody had a chance to answer, but let's see how those of you that did answer responded. We had 75% of you choosing option 4, which was the correct answer. 6 times 7 is 42. All right, our next problem, 7 times 4. All right, everyone has answered, and polling has closed. Let's see how you've done. 100% of you have chosen option 3, 7 times 4 equals 28. Let's see if you're right. You are. Good job. All right, our next question, 8 times 8. Let's get our countdown started. And let's see how everyone did. All right, 80% of you chose 8 times 8 equals 64 as your answer. That was the majority, and you are correct. 8 times 8 is 64. All right, here's a different type of question. This one asking what multiplication property is being shown by this problem. 3 times 1 equals 3, and that should be what property? Enter it in now. 100% of you guessed the identity property, which is correct. All right, another basic multiplication fact, 9 times 6. Enter your answers now. All right, polling has closed. Let's see how we did. All right, the majority chose option 3, 54, and you are correct. Excellent job. All right, next problem, 10 times 3. All right, let's see how everybody did. 100% of you guessing 1, which was 30. And you are correct. Excellent job, everyone. 1 times 8. Let's see how we did. Get our answers in there. And as the countdown goes to 0, let's see how everybody did. 100% of you guessing option 4, which is the correct answer. Awesome. All right, our next problem, 2 times 7. Let's get those answers in. All right, let's see how we did. Oh, again, it looks like we might have tripped some people up. Remember, 2 times 7 is 14. Some of you might have been thinking 2 plus 7, which is 9. Be careful of your signs here. All right, next problem, 3 times 6. And we had 100% of you saying it was 18, and you are correct. Awesome job. All right, another property question. Which property is being shown here? All right, 100% of you saying the 0 property, which is correct. You guys are awesome at your multiplication properties. Good job. All right, 4 times 4. All right, everybody guessed 16, and everyone is correct. Excellent. 5 times 6. Let's start our countdown. Everybody guessed 30, which is correct. Excellent job. I love seeing 100% on there. All right, 6 times 8. Most of you have chosen option 2, 48, which is the correct answer. Excellent. All right, how about 7 times 7? Okay, everybody guessed 49, and you are correct. All right, our next problem, 9 times 0. Let's get our countdown started. Okay, couldn't fool you guys. Anything times 0 is 0. Good job. All right, another property question. Which property is shown by those problems? Everybody choosing the commutative property, and everyone is correct. Excellent. All right, let's see how you guys did. Matt, 19, and Kelly, 19. Awesome job, you guys. Few more questions. How did you guys like using the clickers? Did you like them? Glad to see it, guys. Everybody said yes. Hopefully that we will use them again. Do you want to be seeing using these again? Hopefully we see a lot of yeses again as our answers. Let's see. All right, everybody picked yes, which means you all want to use them again, and don't worry, we will be using them again often. All right, good job, everybody. I hope you enjoyed using the clickers during our math class today, and I hope you got some practice using your basic multiplication facts. Don't forget that you should be practicing these facts on your own as well. Good job today, everybody.